What's the meaning of Cecil Beaton? Cecil Beaton. Cecil Beaton.
Cecil Beaton. Cecil Beaton. Cecil Beaton was a British photographer, designer, and artist who rose to fame during the 1920s. He is best known for his portraits of celebrities and royalty, as well as his costume and set designs for films and stage productions. Beaton's work was characterized by his unique style, which often featured dramatic lighting and bold compositions. His contributions to the art world were widely recognized, and he was awarded numerous honors and accolades throughout his career. Today, Beaton's legacy lives on through his iconic photographs and influential designs.